Hey friends, today we are simply saving some documents. What we have done is we have created MP3s that have animation on them, and the animation features are at the top bar here. And when you click on the three circles situation, then you get to see all the different types of animations here on the left hand side. You can pick whichever one you would like to pick. I picked something that was simple and classy because these graphics are simple and classy. I didn't want something that was corporate or something that was just too fun, too much going on. I didn't want something that would also make it too juvenile. So if this were targeted toward teens, I might do something like this party or pop. But I did something that was simple, peace filled, and I made sure to change the timing to 7 seconds and applied it to all pages. So what I'm doing now is because they have the animations on them, I want to share them in a way where you can see the animation. So I don't want to just share the image. I want to share the full animation, which would look something like this. And again, because there are quotes on it, I want to make sure that you have time to read it. So what I do in order to download them in a way to be shared is I click on the share button in the upper right hand corner. I click on download and the file type is an MP3 video. And then I go ahead over here and just download the pages one by one. So I'm going to go backwards since I've already started this process and I wanted to show you. And I'm just selecting them one by one. Currently, there is no way to download each of them individually in one click, because if I were to pick all pages, it would make a long video, 7 seconds times 31 pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to just click on the individual page and click download. It's saving the download settings so that each time I come back in here, it'll already be ready for me. So again, click share, download, select which page. I usually type it in because it's easier than scrolling all the way down here and clicking it. And then I press done and download. And what it's doing is it's downloading it for me. So because I'm doing a bunch of them, share, download, do it again, type in which page number, and press enter and download again. So I do this fairly quickly because I need to get this done and I try to have as few keystrokes as possible. So share, download, select all, 28, enter. And at this point, I should have all of them, but I'll do it one more time so you could see. Select all is Control A on your keyboard. Type in 27 on my number pad. Simply press enter and it will be done. All right. And press download again and you are done.